Spring is springing everywhere in the Dane County area.
It is.
I've got Gail Stroh here with me. She is our general buyer and manager, and we're going to talk about lawn care.
All
because
right.
everybody wants their lawn to be beautiful this time of year.
And it's been a good spring so far. We've had moisture, we've had, lots of good weather for grass to grow. Grass loves this weather, so yes.
It's been a little cool, but then also a little hot. It's been all over. It's kind of been all over the place.
Yeah,
this
but the
spring.
grass is growing just great.
So, I know a lot of people are coming in and they have weed issues.
Yes.
So why don't we talk a little bit about the best products to use for
Okay,
that?
this is a good time to treat for weeds. They're still actively growing. You want to treat for weeds when they're actively growing. So they take these products in and translocate them to the roots and kill them. So one of the best ones that we have is the Weed Beater Ultra. It's a weed killer that you can use on your lawn. It kills weeds, not grass. And it will work well for things like creeping Charlie, chickweed, dandelions, all kinds of broadleaf weeds, violets. So what you want to do is find a day when it's going to be nice and sunny and dry.
And still,
so it does so it doesn't move to where you don't want it to go. And you would spray your lawn with this, and it will hopefully kill the weeds and make your grass look nice and healthy and green and clean. Now remember that these weed killers aren't always designed to kill things immediately. The weeds will start to wilt, but it does take maybe a week or two for the weed to totally die. So don't think that it's going to just die and be gone the next day. But this is a really good product to use for that.
should you ever have to use like more applications than just the one?
Sometimes you may need to come back and spot treat, but I would wait about 3 weeks before doing that. Give the weed time to die the first time, but if you see them in about a month, you can go back and spot treat those areas again.
Right.
All
And
right?
we have this in a concentrate, a hose end sprayer, and also in a little ready to use,
right.
That you can use for spot treatment.
Right, and there's a gallon pump applicator too.
Yes,
so,
and like
all right?
Gail said, be careful because this will kill anything that is not grass.
Yes.
So that's why we said on a still day, a calm day, so if it drifts onto something else, it'll damage it.
Right, no, you don't want to put it, if you're spraying your flower beds, just be very careful to stay away from the flower beds that
Or
you
use
don't want to.
like some cardboard or something
Correct,
to block so
like
that
a
the edge
shield.
doesn't go
Use
in.
a shield.